everybody, and welcome back to Dancer's Feed. My name is Allison, and with me today are Miss Gianna and Miss Lauren. Today we're going to be teaching you a Bollywood dance combination. Please make sure that you look at the description box below to check out the timestamps. Those are going to help better guide you throughout this video. So whether you learn it for yourself or you learn it and teach it to somebody else, you're going to be able to figure it out really easily by looking at that. So please make sure you stick to the very, very end, and let's get dancing.
So I'm going to begin by teaching you these steps in slow motion. The first step is a leap ball change. You're going to leap onto your right and ball change with the left. And then with your left foot, you're going to leap onto it and then ball change with the right. This next step is another ball change step. You place one foot in front of the other and ball change back and back and back and back. This next step is a turn. Prep your foot and whip your leg all the way around and face forwards again. Okay, now we're going to get into the choreography. You're going to step right foot and left foot, plie down and come up. From here, you're going to do that turn from before. You're going to step onto the leg, whip your right leg around and face forwards. Now you're going to do the ball changes back 4 times. Next, you're going to bend to the right and jump up to flick your left leg behind you, and then bend to the left and flick the right leg behind you. From here, you're going to do the leap ball change step I taught you first, to the right and then to the left. From here, you're going to do a 3-step turn going towards the right by stepping onto your right, then left, and then right. Once you're done with the turn, you're going to land in this position, pop your right hip up and land down, hold a count, and then 4 ball changes going towards the left. This next step is similar to one we did already, but instead of jumping, you're just going to pop your shoulders out by bending to the right and pop, to the left and pop. Finally, the last step is another 3-step turn. This time you're going to bring it forwards, and then from there you're going to shimmy and turn yourself around with the same ball change movement. Now we're going to be demonstrating this whole combination in slow motion facing you. So you're going to start off by stepping 1 and 2, bend 3, up 4, step, turn, land 7, 8, 4 ball changes going back, arms in front of you, and bend to the right, jump, bend to the left, jump, leap ball change to the right, arms to the left, step, turn, step, and pose, hip, up and wait. Now you have 4 ball changes coming to the front. You have down to the right, down to the left, step, turn forward, 7, 8, and shimmy, turn with 4 ball changes, and you are done. Now let's try it with the music.
So that was a lot of fun, don't you girls agree?
Yeah.
Bollywood's so much fun. We hope you also thought it was fun. And again, whether you taught it to yourself or to your students, we hope you guys all enjoyed. Please make sure if you liked this video to give it a big thumbs up and then subscribe to Dancer's Feed channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Till next time, see you later.